are all the flowers I have. I bought these flowers from someone who had a wedding, and I'm hoping they're enough to make this floral garland for the backdrop. So I have all these. I took them apart and I cut off all the stems a little shorter because they're fitting on the garland. So I have shorter stems, separated them in different types, so when I'm putting them together it's better. I still need to cut these. I didn't cut these because I'm not yet sure if I'll use them. If these are enough, then I won't have to use them. I have this stand that I bought. I'm gonna spray paint it, and I want to make a floral arrangement over this. So that's that. I just wanted to make sure it didn't look too big. I have 2 of those, and all these greenery is what is going on the backdrop. I have a few that I bought right here. They're not taken apart, so if these are not enough, I'll use those as fillers. Then we have these. Might go in the bouquets that I'm gonna make. I have this vase here. I have this one. And I have this one. I love this frosty look. Very beautiful. It'll look so nice with the pink. See that? And I have more flowers over here. This is just my trash. But I have more flowers right here just in case the others there are not enough. Same color scheme. I had to put away all the bright pink flowers, but these might go in the bouquets. It just depends on how well things go with the backdrop. We're gonna start with the backdrop. I have this foam that I bought. I was gonna use pool noodles, but since we're off season, I don't think they have enough pool noodles. So I bought this. It's a pack of 2 at Hobby Lobby for $12.99. And there are 2. I'm gonna split one in half right here down to see. I have my wire cutter, one of the best tools ever, scissors. I found this thing that I saw in a video, and I found it at Hobby Lobby when I was looking, and it's supposed to cut foam, so I want to see if it'll work well for this foam. Got some water, a list of the floral things I'm making. I also need to put together all the table elevators, the way I'm gonna set the table. So I have my ruler, I have my hot glue gun. Don't mind the hedge backdrop here. I have my hot glue gun ready if I need it. All these I'm gonna cover up. It's all gonna go on the table just to set things up. I'm gonna use this cardstock, but it has a shiny back to cover all these foams so that we can use them to raise things on the table. More hydrangeas here. Gonna go on the floral garland. Those I'm not gonna use because they're too bright. And I bought a pack of hydrangeas from Amazon, and so I'm gonna set you up and we'll get started. I am starting with the floral foam. I want to see if it is long enough to cover my backdrop. I'm just measuring everything out. I decided that the floral foam would not look good if it was cut directly in the middle. So what I'm doing is just tracing out my line so I can cut it. It's not going to be long enough, even combining the 2, and you'll see later on how I have to cut a little piece just to make it work. And it turns out fine. No one sees the middle because they're all covered in flowers, but I'm just measuring everything out so I have a line to guide me when I cut the foam. That's the first piece, and I'll repeat the exact same. You can see my line right there. I'll repeat the exact same process with the second foam, just so I have that ready before I start cutting it through. I have my handy dandy new gadget that I'm going to try out to see how well it works. and it asks you to charge it for about 2 minutes before you start using. I'm just reading instructions and making sure that I don't light my curtains on fire, but safety first, right? So here we go, plugging it in and setting everything up. I want to show you how it melts this close up. Amazing. So it said to plug it in for 2 minutes. I did that already. See my line? And I'll just put it. Do you see that? I have 2 pieces. I was gonna hot glue them together, but I realized the length is not gonna work for this backdrop. So what I'm gonna do is sort out my drapes first, then attach these to the backdrop using these 260 balloons. I think it should hold it pretty well. work on making the floral arrangement for the backdrop. So here is a floral cage. Here I have a bunch of these that I'm gonna use. We are down to our last two floral arrangements. I hope you are enjoying the video so far. I know it has been a blast for me to put all these floral arrangements together. If you are subscribed, thank you for subscribing. Thank you for all the kind comments. Most of all, thank you for the patience in letting me learn this YouTube process and how to edit and post videos. I truly appreciate each and every one of your sweet comments. If you're not subscribed, please click that subscribe button. Click on the notification bell so you don't miss a video. It really supports my channel. I truly appreciate each and every one of you. Stay tuned for part 2 of this video. It's quite a process putting together this baby shower. Let me know in the comments which of these floral arrangements are your favorite and what you would use these floral arrangements for. Now I'm gonna let you continue on with the video. Again, thank you for watching.